Exercise 1. Seated dumbbell waiter biceps curl. Targets the biceps peak and short head with both hands gripping a single dumbbell upright. Being seated eliminates body sway, forcing strict form. Squeeze the dumbbell as if trying to crush it and raise only with biceps effort. Keep tension constant and pause at the top to fully recruit peak fibers and minimize forearm takeover. Exercise 2. Dumbbell alternate biceps curl. Hold on. Trains both arms simultaneously. One curls while the other holds, increasing time under tension. This variation improves endurance, symmetry, and mind-muscle connection. Keep core tight and elbow still. Avoid swinging. Holding adds an isometric challenge, boosting total activation and reducing recovery between arms for better hypertrophy. Exercise 3. Dumbbell Zottman curl. Combines a regular curl, palms up, with a reverse eccentric, palms down, targeting biceps during lift and brachioradialis during descent. This builds both size and forearm density. Use moderate weight, control both phases, and avoid jerking the wrist. Ideal for increasing forearm strength and full arm development with one efficient movement. Exercise 4. Dumbbell one-arm reverse curl. Targets the brachialis and forearms, adding arm width and grip strength. The reverse grip limits biceps dominance and shifts focus to deeper arm muscles. Curl slowly with a neutral wrist to avoid strain. Best used with lighter weights for isolation, it complements traditional curls by hitting underdeveloped regions most people miss. Exercise 5. Dumbbell biceps curl. Classic isolation move for both biceps heads. Dumbbells allow a more natural wrist angle, enabling full contraction and stretch. Focus on curling through the elbow while keeping shoulders still. Avoid swinging for strict tension. Squeeze hard at the top of each rep and lower slowly to fully engage the muscle on both phases. Exercise 6. Dumbbell cross-body hammer curl. Targets the brachialis and long head while adding forearm mass. The across-body motion increases resistance through a new angle. Keep wrist neutral, elbow close, and move under control. This variation helps develop arm thickness and adds definition to the outer biceps line, making it perfect for balanced arm aesthetics. Exercise 7. Dumbbell wide grip curl. Shifts tension to the biceps short head by keeping elbows pointed outward. This setup promotes inner biceps development and better peak shape. Use a wide arm path and strict wrist alignment. Curl with control and hold the contraction briefly. Avoid heavy weight to prevent shoulder assistance, focusing instead on clean form. Exercise 8. Dumbbell prone incline curl. Lying face down on an incline bench eliminates cheating and places constant tension on the long head. Arms hang straight, forcing isolation. Keep elbows pointed down and don't swing. This setup gives a full stretch at the bottom and hard contraction at the top, ideal for improving biceps length and quality through deeper range. Exercise 9. Dumbbell standing preacher curl. Targets the lower biceps and enforces strict form by fixing the elbow on a bench or surface. Prevents momentum and focuses entirely on elbow flexion. Use slow reps and pause halfway to intensify the pump. The long range of motion enhances peak contraction and is great for improving shape, especially in the lower biceps area.